Hello everyone, this is dietitian Neha Jain from the Diet Do's. So based upon my live session earlier on Instagram, the most important question that was raised was that most of us have been trying to reduce weight by doing a lot of diets and a lot of exercise, but still we are not able to reduce weight. So what could be the reason? So I would suggest there could be various factors actually which helps you to decide whether you are losing weight or not. Alright, so the most important is maybe you are losing weight, but you are actually not identifying whether you are losing weight or not. So your weighing scale is not only a scale which will tell you whether you loses weight or not. I would suggest just try to fit into your old clothes. So that should be your ideal scale. Alright, if you start fitting into your older clothes, that's a better sign of reducing weight rather than just looking onto your weighing scale. So what happens basically is your fat is actually getting replaced by muscle protein, especially for people who have recently got into any exercise or any schedule. Alright, so I would suggest doing maybe a monthly body composition analysis is very beneficial or very helpful to check whether you are reducing fat or which component you are actually reducing, and then your dietitian can actually help you working upon a particular factor. Alright, so besides this also deficiency of protein in your diet is another factor. So I would suggest at least to include 25 to 30% of total calories coming from protein, especially in your breakfast, which is the kickstart meal of the day. Alright, also you need to go slow on your carbohydrate intake. Rather than just consuming any carbohydrate, focus more upon whole foods. So try to at least eat 5 whole foods every day, which is very important. Try to reduce sugar and salt in your food, which are just empty calories, and go slow on processed and packaged food. Also, you need to include enough strength training as well as cardio training in your daily routine, in your daily exercise routine. So we say 45 to 60 minutes is what you are supposed to do every day, which includes both strength and cardio. So strength basically helps to replace your fat with more of protein, which will give you a more leaner look, and it will start it will tighten all your bulges, which generally happens on a diet routine or on doing some sort of excessive workout routine. So this is why a mix is what is required. Also, you need to stay hydrated, which is equally important. There are various medical conditions like PCOS, thyroid or sleep apnea, which makes further difficult for people to reduce weight. So you need to do it under proper guidance. Follow these little changes. Follow these increasing protein in your diet, reducing carbohydrate in your diet, fat in your diet, and doing few lifestyle changes will definitely help even with these medical conditions to break through that plateau level to reach an ideal body weight. So as I said, reducing weight is not an easy task. You just need to be patient enough. So I hope all this will definitely help you in looking after how you perceive yourself and how you from now onwards you can move ahead and break that weight loss plateau and work more efficiently on your diet and on your exercise routine. So stay tuned, and I'll meet you next in more videos, and we'll take up more questions and queries what the viewers have been asking. Thank you so much.